careful on how to tread or treat itong mga tribes. Because may mga sensitivities yan eh. Diba? Kaya pagka nandun may media tayo, sinasabihan namin, tinatanong namin yung tribal leaders nila, ano ba ang pwede, ano ang hindi pwedeng gawin? Because we respect their culture and then yung kanyang way of life. Kasi some of them are sensitive, ay ito hindi pwede, so hindi namin gagawin yung certain things na parang hindi for them, na hindi familiar with them or hindi sila, diba? Like mga items na gano'n. So we are very careful on how we respect their lifestyle. Tapos, and some of them nga, kaya kailangan importante rin yun. Some tribes, hindi pwedeng women isama sa men. Eh, dito, kung pwede ka, merong mix. Sa iba naman tribe, hindi pwede. Men lang lahat. So, we are again aware of that and we take note of, kaya when we make sure that the tribal leaders are the ones that make the rules and whatever agreements they have. No? Kaya dito maganda, meron sa third item dito sa inyo, mechanics, no? Meron yan na players, gameplay, on each of the sports that have been identified. Galing sa kanila ho ito. Kaya ito, it's a good learning for us. Ay, pala, this is how to play, this is the rules, the players, how many game materials and gameplay. So, kompleto ho yan dito sa inyong materials. So, sige.